Hi everyone, welcome to Christine's Creations. How you guys doing today? Okay, so I got a 12 by 24 gallery wrapped canvas, and my colors that I don't know if I'm going to use all these, but this is just what I have ready for this pour. This is just kind of a light tan that I made. So yeah, there's that white, add a dash of brown, you get tan. And this is Artist Loft Turquoise. This is going to be the star of the show, one of the big stars of the show, because I am doing turquoise, so you can see what I'm doing. This is primary red, okay? It's very light red, and this is another makeshift color. It's kind of looks pink now, but I really just added a little white and orange to create what I was thinking was peach, but it kind of looks pink. Let's put that aside. Primary red aside. Get rid of that. I've got, is this copper? Yeah, Artist Loft copper and basics gold. I don't know if I'm going to use the copper. Okay, so you guys can see my little swatch I got going on over here. And I'm just going to play. Oh, last color. Now this is another star because this is the Arteza Pearl Pink Tulip. And once this is under resin and everything, this will really pop out as a pearl pigment. So we've got a couple of metallics and a pearl pigment, and those will pop. But mostly, I think it's going to be these guys. Okay, this is what I'm shooting for here. I'm going to do this cream and turquoise on the background, and then all the other colors as my blowout for my Dutch pour. So fingers crossed, I'm gonna get this all covered up and ready to go, and then I will be right back. Okay, so let's talk about consistency. Very thin. I'm gonna do a couple colors because I think the lighter colors, this is just going right in. I used GAC 800 and water and paint. So I want this to blow very easily on low with my blow dryer. This is the turquoise, another background color. Let me see, get right up there. Can you guys see that? Okay. And let's do this one. Okay, trying to get the consistency the same. Now this looks a little bit thick, so I'm going to show you. These have been sitting for a couple of days, so sometimes they thicken up. So I'm going to add a little water. I'm going to double check my consistency. Yeah, it needs more. Better, but it's not there yet. Still more needed. Okay, that's good. Let me check my red. So you guys, this is very thick. Wow, it really thickened up. This was inspired by a picture I saw. It was my friend's little girls, my friend's brother's little girls. Anyway, it was a couple of kids I didn't even know. But it was a picture, and they had the cutest turquoise and red outfits on. And it had some hints of coral in it and everything. And I was just like, I wonder if I could make that. So yeah. This could be a disaster, or it could be really cool. I don't know. I'm hoping for cool. Something eye-popping from across the room. Red and turquoise. Could mix, you know, real wonky. Blue and red make purple. turquoise and red? I don't know. So, okay, this is better. Seems to be the ones that I put in the cups are the ones that thickened up. Because I kind of started this mixing 4 or 5 days ago, and I've been working all week. Okay, that's good. That's good, good, good. All right. Now basically I have 3 pinks. This is the pearly pink, and 2 metallics. I'm gonna put this light pink on. I'm gonna put it in this order: light pink, red, pearl pink. Let's put a little bit of this copper. There's an empty spot right here. I think there's something blocking my hole. Okay, now the pink tulip. Now the gold. Okay, now I'm going to torch it. One more thing I almost forgot. I want to make sure there's a lot of flow right against this. And again with the turquoise. Whoa, okay, So it wasn't as thin as I thought it was, but it was thinner than the last time. I had to use high. I'm going to torch some bubbles. Wow. I think the colors look great. Nice. Oh my God, you guys, I love it. I had to fiddle faddle a little bit, and I want to mess with this, but because I wish, but I don't know. I mean, that could pop a little more. I was able to make that, and I like that, and I kind of want to do that on this side. I really do. I think I'm going to. It's going to be like I have this pink tulip here, and I think I'm just gonna mess with it. This is so beautiful, y'all. I love it. I'm afraid to mess it up. Okay, the blowing makes it look a little bit more organic. I hope. That's the idea. So then, flip it around. And blow it the other way, and that's the final. Okay, did you guys see what I just did? I made this smaller because I'm trying to create like a twist. It kind of worked. All right, I really am done now. All right, guys, so here it is wet. I will show you the dry results. And I'm just going to go in close on this side. Let's see. There we go. Okay, that's it for now. See you guys later. Okay, everyone, so here she is, dry, and I ran out of resin. So it's not resin yet, and I didn't want to wait. So here it is dry. It's actually quite pretty. I want to show you the metallic is in there, all that beautiful gold and copper. And you know, when I did this, you know, by hand and this down here by hand, I think it looks great. I'm glad I did it. It doesn't look completely organic, but I don't regret it. I like it, and it gave it enough fullness in those areas that I was wanting. So, yeah, I might take this outside and show you guys too, real quick. But I love that center right there. Oops, falling over. And oh, there. See, now there's the angle I needed. Look at that metallic. Love that. Oh my God, that's gonna look so amazing once I put resin on it. So yeah, let me know if you guys are interested. This is for sale. I have to load it into my Etsy shop. I'm going to be hanging it at the restaurant. But anyway, let me know if anybody's interested. I am thinking about doing this color combination without the turquoise on something else. So I just think it looks really, really pretty. So we'll see. I hope you guys enjoy this. Have a great day. Bye.